Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another video, and I know I haven't made a video in a very long time, but here's a new video. So in today's video guys, I'm going to be unboxing a bunch of shoes I recently got from Nike exclusively. So I'm super excited to show you guys all of these. As you can see, we have 5 pairs of shoes right here next to me. And I have been recording a few videos in the time I haven't been on YouTube, but I haven't managed to edit and upload them, so let's hope this one actually makes it on YouTube. So let's start with just saying, I just want to quickly mention that when you order from Nike, the good thing is they include a shipping label, return label. I'm not going to show you the actual address details or whatever, but they just give you a label to return it so that you don't need to print off a new one. It's just just makes it easier. And also the box here, obviously they ship it double boxed so that it doesn't damage the box. And over here they have a bit of a resealable box, so you just peel that off and it makes it easy to reseal the box so you can return it if you need to return it. So guys, as you can see, I've got a bunch of shoes here, and let's get straight into showing you guys these shoes one by one. So the first pair of shoes I have right here, as you can see, we have an Air Force 1 box right here. These are a size 10.5, and as you can see, the box is slightly damaged, but I wouldn't really count that as a damaged box. It's just, it's a box. So let's get straight into the shoe. First off, as you can see, the wrapping paper, it's got stars on it and stuff. I don't know if the camera can pick that up, but it's got stars on it. And these are, guys, right here, the shoes. Quickly take them out for you guys. Hold up. Quickly put them down. So guys, here are the shoes. These are the Nike Air Force 1, I believe, highs or mids. I think these are Air Force 1 mid Nordic Christmas. So these are some obviously Christmas special shoes, as you can see. You've got the fur on the inside that just goes all the way into the shoe, which is really nice detail that they've added. I'm sure it makes the shoe more comfortable. And you've got this really nice, I don't know what this is called. I think it's like leather or something. I think it's leather over here. And over here on the toe box, you've got a fabric material instead of a leather material. So I don't think you need to worry about creasing it as you do with the regular Air Force 1s, because there's no leather on the toe box. And you've got some really nice color blocking here. Very obviously seasonal pair of shoes. You can only really wear these around Christmas. So these are for those people with a lot of shoes that just want to flex on Christmas. So here is the shoe, guys. So guys, these are a size 9.5, and these have already sold, so you can't really buy these, which is awesome. I've already sold these. So here is the shoe, guys, right here. Again, as you can see, the outsole, super nice, and nice pair of shoes overall. So let's just put that back in the box, and I'm going to show you guys the next shoe. Alright, so the next pair of shoes I'm going to be showing you are the same pair of shoes. These are just another pair of Air Force 1s. Because even though those have sold, those are size 9.5 UK, these are still in stock if anybody's interested, size 9 UK, still for sale. I'm not going to open it up because it's literally the exact same pair of shoes as those, but if you guys want to buy it, still in stock. But you guys will need to be pretty quick because my shoes sell pretty fast. I only have one pair of shoes that I can't sell, which are up there, but otherwise my shoes, I normally have them for about a week or 2 weeks, maximum around a month before they finally sell. So that's a good thing, so hurry up if you want to buy them. Alright, so next pair of shoes that I want to show you are these Jordan 1 mids. As you can see, it just comes in a nice Jordan box. You've just got the gold Jumpman plain black box, super nice. And in here, you've just got the gold, the wrapping paper with the 23 in gold. And then in here, guys, you've got, let me take these out. Alright, so the next pair of shoes I want to show you guys are these Jordan 1 mid band, bread band, or band color, in the band colorway. These are a super cool pair of shoes, OG colorway, size 9 UK. These have already sold, so if you guys are interested, too bad, they're already sold. Right here, as you can see, super nice pair of shoes. I know there's going to be people that are really like this colorway, but they can't afford the highs, which are like going for over £600, which is crazy. So if you guys just trying to get into shoes, I recommend you guys buy mids. Great way to get into buying Jordan 1s. So here are the shoes, super nice. You've got the red outsole over here. So guys, I did buy these on drop day, thinking that I was going to keep them myself if I don't manage to sell them. I mean, these were a shoe that I really liked, but after thinking about it for a bit, I still bought them anyway because I thought I could sell them. I decided to not hold on to these and instead just, I decided to sell them because I have a shoe that's basically, it's quite similar. I already have a Jordan 1 mid and, with a primarily red color. So I've got these Chicago Black Toes for myself. You guys probably have seen this before. Just another nice shoe right here. These are just my personal pair I got for my birthday from my dad. So, right there. I got these instead. So I decided there's no point of me really keeping these because I already have those, so, I want to go for different shoes. By the way, I already sold these before I got them, so I need to go and ship that off tomorrow. So yeah, these are some really nice shoes, size 9 UK. What do you guys think of them? Next pair of shoes I'm going to be showing you guys are another pair of Jordan 1 mids. These aren't the same exact shoe, right here. Again, you just got the black box with the gold Jumpman 23. You got the paper right here with the gold 23s. And then right here, guys, you've got the Jordan 1 mid shadows. I think these are called the white shadows. Right here, again, based off another really classic colorway for the Jordan 1, the shadows. Really nice pair of shoes in my opinion. Really classic colorway. Awesome shoe. You can basically wear this with anything. These are, again, a size 9 UK, 10 US. Still in stock. So if anybody wants to buy these, you might want to hurry up and buy them from me. Again, DM me on my Instagram at streetwear_store123. That's where I sell all of my stuff. Haven't updated it in a while, but just DM me on there if you want to buy any of the shoes shown in this video. So here are the shoes, guys. Super nice. Again, just another Jordan 1 mid. You've got the black outsole on these. Super nice shadows. So yeah, what do you guys think about this shoe? Do you prefer these? Or even these? Which one do you prefer? What Jordan 1 colorway do you prefer out of these three? These are the Chicago Black Toes. These are the band colorway. And these are the shadows. So let me know in the comments what you guys prefer. They're all the same size, 9 UK. Just let me know what you guys think about them in the comments down below. The last and final shoe I want to show you guys today, Jordan 1 high box right here. You got these. These I haven't sold yet either, so if you guys are interested in these, just DM me, you know what to do. Let me know. Got a Jordan 1 high here, guys, that I released recently. Here are the Jordan 1 high metallic gold right here. Really cool shoe in my opinion. I know a lot of people hate on this shoe, they don't like this shoe that much, but I have to say it looks pretty good in my opinion. You've got this really interesting material here, almost like I think it's just plastic, but it looks really cool. It's got this nice shine to it, almost that metallic effect. It's kind of in the name. So the two primary colors on these are black and gold, literally the only colors on this shoe. Really nice gold hints on the shoe. You got the gold swoosh, swoosh, whatever you pronounce it. You've got some gold detailing over here and on the heel of the shoe, on the ankle area, sorry. And you've got a nice little gold detail over here on the tongue, as well as on the wings logo and on the stitching over here on the midsole of the shoe. You've got some gold stitching. Super nice pair of shoes. Again, size 9.5 UK. If you guys are interested, let me know if you want to buy. If you guys are interested, let me know if you want to buy these. Still in stock. Super nice pair of shoes. And yeah. Also, these do have black laces. They come with black laces, but they also come with gold laces. If you guys are interested. So we've got gold laces as well. If you guys want to switch it up. These are very similar to a shoe that they actually released, I believe, 2 years ago. Which, I mean, these are completely beat, but I think they're loosely based off of these. These are just the Jordan 1 Retro High OG City of Flights right here. Again, black and gold. These are my personal shoes, as you can see. Worn to death. Yeah, right here. So yeah, which one do you guys prefer? Obviously this one's used, this one's new, so take that into account. But what do you guys prefer? The City of Flights or the metallic golds? Let me know. And in fact, they did release another pair of metallic golds back in 2013. And these are just the 2020 version. So yeah, these are the other shoes. So that's all the shoes that I got today. They all literally arrived today, which is crazy. And yeah, let's just hope that this video actually makes it to YouTube, because as I said earlier, I have filmed a bunch of videos and unboxings that have never reached YouTube. They're still in the process of editing. So that is the end of the video. I hope you all really enjoyed it. I'm super excited to share this with you, as I normally only receive one pair of shoes at a time, or two pairs of shoes at a time. However, today, as you can see, I've received 5 pairs of shoes at once, so I'm super excited to show you guys that. And I hope you really enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's see if we can hit 150 likes. If we can do that, I will release another video. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Like, subscribe, goodbye.